Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For the first design, you'll want to paint your nail white. Once the polish is dry, use the brush from a bottle of neon blue polish to paint over the nail. Make sure to leave some white peeking out near the top and the sides. When the polish is dry, repeat with a darker blue. Using a toothpick dipped in yellow polish, make a circle near the tip of your nail. Add yellow dots around the circle to make it into a sun. On the second nail, we're going to be making tiny ice cream cones. Start off with a mint base, and once that's dry, use a toothpick dipped in dark brown polish to make some triangles on the nail. Make 3 dots above each cone for the ice cream. You can use whatever colors you want for this, but here I chose to use white, pink, and brown for Neapolitan ice cream. The next design is lemons. Start off by painting your nail light blue. Using a toothpick dipped in yellow polish, make long ovals with a dot at each end for the lemons. Add some leaves with green polish. On the next nail, we'll be making a larger ice cream cone. Start off by painting your nail pink, and when it's dry, use the brush from a bottle of brown polish to fill in the bottom half of the nail. When the polish is dry, use a toothpick dipped in dark brown to make a crisscross pattern on the bottom half of the nail. Use the same pink polish as before to make some ice cream drips over top of the cone. You can leave it like this, or you can add some dots of white as sprinkles. For the last nail, we'll be making footprints in the sand. Start off by painting your nail a shimmery tan. To make the footprints, use a shimmery brown polish to first make an oval and then a dot a little ways down from it. Connect the two shapes on the left side and then add 5 dots above the oval. To make the right foot, repeat the same steps as before, but connect the oval and the circle on the right side instead of the left. Keep adding footprints until you run out of space. Finally, finish off with a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.